Hey guys, I'm Afton and this is Cooking with Afton, and tonight I decided to make some, well, my son, he basically wanted some popcorn, so I decided to make the popcorn, and I was like, oh, let me just make a video with popcorn because it's so easy. It's a simple recipe. So I'm going to show you guys step by step how to make this delicious popcorn, and I hope you guys enjoy watching my video. Give my video a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. Alright, so let me just show you my ingredients. Take care. Hi guys, this is the ingredients for my homemade popcorn. Very simple. You just need some salt, oil, and the popcorn seeds. Alright, so I just put on my stove here, my pot here, so we'll be back. Okay, so I just put on my pot here. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna put in my oil into the pot. Alright, and then I'm gonna put in my salt, and you're gonna mix it up. Alright, when you finish mix it up, you pour in your popcorn seed. Alright, and then you stir it up and make sure all of them with the oil and the salt coat on them. Alright, this is just a simple popcorn. I know they make like 3 different types of popcorn, but this is the one that my son really likes to eat, the salted popcorn. Alright, I know to make the butter popcorn, I know to make the caramel popcorn, so this is the one he likes to eat. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna leave this in the pot here and cover it. Right, we'll be back. Okay guys, after 2 minutes, you see the popcorn done start popping. Alright, so I'm gonna cover my pot and let it pop away. Alright, so we'll be back. I'm gonna let you guys see about in 10 seconds how it's popping away here. Yeah, just make sure you keep your pot cover because it's gonna pop on you. Alright, and if you want, you could like shake your pot a little bit to make sure that all of it pop, and just gotta wait till it pop. Alright, so when it finishes popping, I'll be back. Okay guys, so my popcorn is finished here, so it's still popping a little bit, but it's basically finished. It's nearly full up my my pot here. Alright, so I'm gonna take it off and let you guys see the end results. So I'm pouring it out here into my plate. So that 1 cup of popcorn, see, it give you a whole pot of popcorn. Oh my god, my son is gonna have so much fun because he loves this. I prefer the sweet one, but he liked the salty one. Alright, okay guys, so this is the end results for my homemade popcorn. So I hope you guys enjoy watching this quick, simple homemade popcorn video. Give my video a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. Click the bell so you guys will be notified whenever I upload another video. Alright, and you can follow me on Instagram, Cooking with Afton, and follow me on Facebook, Cooking with Afton as well. Alright, and like my video guys, share my video, and please watch my video. Alright, take care, stay blessed, and happy Diwali. Bye.